Mount Everest, the highest peak on Earth. A dream for countless adventurers. But what does it truly take to turn that dream into reality? It's not just about reaching the summit. It's about resilience, the strength to endure the unforgiving cold. It's about courage, the will to silence self-doubt. And it's about determination, pushing forward, step by step. Above all, it's about trust in yourself and the summit partner by your side. Welcome to Everest Adventure by 14 Peaks Expedition. Why do we climb Everest, they ask? Because it's more than a mountain. It's the ultimate test of human strength. A challenge to see how far we can push ourselves. How high can we rise to stand on top of the world? The journey is relentless. It will test you, break you, tempt you to turn back. But this is the dream you've carried for so long.
आइसक्रिम 2-3 मात्रै छ र हामी 200-300 मिटर ढुल टाङ्नुपर्छ भने त्यसले भित्र बनाएर चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ एङ्कर बनाउँछौँ.
At 14 Peaks Expedition, we know what it takes, and we're with you every step of the way.
हेलो नमस्ते, मेरो नाम चाहिँ टासी शेर्पा, म क्लाइम्बर, म एक्सपिडिसन लिडर. माउन्ट एभरेस्ट समिट गरेपछि मैले चाहिँ त्यसलाई चाहिँ व्यावसायिकको रूपमा अगाडि बढाउँ भनेर म लागेँ हो. म चाहिँ सेफ्टी र सक्सेसमा गर्ने मैले मेन फोकस. तपाईको चाहिँ मलाई सेफ्टी पनि चाहिन्छ, सक्सेस पनि चाहिन्छ हैन. यो दुईटै चीजमा मज्जाले फोकस गरेर अनि ब्यालेन्स गर्ने के मैले.
From mastering oxygen usage to rope fixing and climbing techniques, we prepare you for the challenges ahead. We leave base camp behind with everything set. Camp 1 awaits. Then throw the icy slopes of Camp 2, the rugged climb to Camp 3, and the stretch to final Camp 4. The ascent starts here. Luxury isn't sacrificed at high altitudes. We provide top-tier hospitality, ensuring you experience the best food and accommodations on your journey. Because a great climb starts with great preparation, great support, and great hospitality. After weeks of climbing together, the ultimate challenge begins. Late into the night, the summit push begins. Then, as the first light of dawn breaks the horizon, your dream becomes reality. You have done it. Everest Adventure by 14 Peaks Expedition supporting mountain life.